Alright guys, we have a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible here today for you. And the beautiful red, the red and white seats. Gonna go ahead and walk around the outside, show you the condition. The chrome is absolutely gorgeous, perfect condition. You can see the top cover there right now. Rear bumper here. And the passenger side. See the chrome trim there. And those wheels. Go ahead and go around to the front to the grille here. See, also in perfect condition, no pitting or anything. So we'll go ahead, we'll pop into the interior, show you guys. Let's go ahead and open up the door. You can see the door panel here, also that beautiful white and red stitch there. Power windows, that powers all 4 windows right there that control. You can see the split bench seat here, a beautiful white vinyl, and also the back seat here in just as good condition. The carpets. Go ahead and hop into the driver's seat here. See all the gauges, RPM, the mile per hour, the temperature, fuel, and then oil in your voltmeter. You see that JVC head unit. And also this is an air control system. I will show you those airbags on the suspension when we get it up in the air. That is how you control them, all 4 corners here. The speaker there. So we'll go ahead and fire this car up, take you guys. Now that we're in the car and situated where we can drive, let's go ahead and start it up. And fires right up. See the air ride system here, the PSI numbers. Let's go ahead and throw it in drive. You can hear it. Beautiful, beautiful sound. Sounds absolutely great. So when I get down here and I'll turn around, I'll put it up on the lift so you can see the undercarriage. Alright, we have this big old grill up on the lift, so let's go ahead and take a look at this undercarriage. Starting with the driver's side, you can see those airbags there. And I'll get a better look of them. You can see all the steering components, and underneath the engine, that oil pan and trans pan there. And there's that airbag. Those front disc brakes there. And then as we make our way to the back, this is the passenger side we're looking at right now. And then you see those mufflers there. Those turn down tips. And you also see the air bags in the rear. That's passenger side there. We'll go ahead and make our way around to underneath the driver's side door. See that there, and then we'll go around to the passenger. Great condition. So we'll go ahead and put this thing back on the ground, have the car running, and show you guys. So we're finally back off the lift and out in our parking spot. I have the car running right now. Sounds absolutely gorgeous. So guys, you can check this car out on our website at skywayclassics.com. Thanks for watching.